morning, Sai Ram to all of you. Welcome to Shri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. So today we are going to learn groups of animals. Okay. Now this is again a very beautiful slide which we are going to see, and the lesson is going to be very interesting. So think about the nature and the creations of God. Okay. A collective noun is a word used to refer to a group of people, animals or things. Collective nouns are treated as singular. Okay. Let us now learn some collective nouns for groups of animals. So, see, an army of ants gathered in no time. An army of ants. Okay, when you see many ants together, you have to say army of ants. Yes, and you might have seen, these ants, when they walk in one line, they will walk in the same line. Okay, and they will talk to each other as if they are talking something, and then they will go further, right? So, it is very interesting to watch the army of ants. If you have not observed, please observe it. It is very interesting. So, these small things in life, we have to do it. Otherwise, there is no fun in life, right? Then we have a brood of chickens was safely shifted to the coop. Okay, brood, B-R-O-O-D, brood of chickens. Okay, then we have a colony of bats is residing on the tree. Colony, C-O-L-O-N-Y, colony of bats. Okay. Then we have a flight of birds or flock of birds flew in the sky. Okay. So, flight of birds, a flight of birds or a flock of birds flew in the sky. Okay. Then we have a herd of cows is grazing in the woods. A herd of cows is grazing in the woods. Okay. Then a kindle of kittens was playing in the garden. Okay. It's so cute to see the small kittens, right? See, so cute they are. Very innocent looking. See their eyes? Yes, a kindle of kittens. It is a kindle of kittens, K-I-N-D-L-E, kindle of kittens. Okay. Then we have a pack of wolves attacked the travelers, pack of wolves. Okay. Then a pride of lions. Gir forest is frequently visited by animal lovers to see the pride of lions. Okay. Then the litter of cubs. A lioness gave birth to a litter of cubs in the Gir forest. Okay. Then a school of whales is mostly found in the deep oceans. A school of whales. Okay. Then we have a shoal of fish was trapped in the net. A shoal, S-H-O-A-L, shoal of fish. Then we have a swarm of bees attacked the juicy fruits. Swarm, S-W-A-R-M, swarm of bees. Okay. Then we have a train of camels carried loads through the deserts. Okay. So, a train of camels, it is a train of camels. Then a clutter of spiders was all over the old house. Okay. A clutter of spiders was all over the old house. Then the nest or the knot of toads was all around the pond. A nest of toads was all around the pond, or the knot of toads was all around the pond. Okay, both you can say. Then a descent of woodpeckers flew from the northern direction. A descent of woodpeckers flew from the northern directions. Then we have dazzle of zebra was seen in the mountains. So beautiful, see. Yeah, see God's creation, it is so lovely to see so many zebras together, right? Yes, a dazzle of zebras was seen in the mountains. A dray or scurry of squirrels was spread on the walnut tree. Then we have a flock or pandemonium of parrots was found on the guava tree. Okay. Then we have a parliament of owls sat on the large banyan tree. See, this is very different. A parliament of owls sat on the large banyan tree. Okay. So now we will see what is the thought for the day, what Sri Madhusudan Sai has to tell us. Okay. Love is what gives you the courage to do what you have set out to do. Love is what gives courage to God to do what He wants to do. Love is what makes everything happen, and this love alone is the property of God. This is said by Sri Madhusudan Sai. Okay. So write it down very carefully with your beautiful handwriting, and it should be in cursive writing. Okay. And keep proper space between two words. And pass this to all your friends and relatives and even your parents and siblings. Thank you for watching Sri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes, Let's Learn English series. I pray to God to keep you happy and prosperous in all your future endeavors. Thank you. Sai Ram.